So the election has now been run and won by Labor. And to be honest, it was all over faster than an Eagles football match. But now that Labor's got 3 more years in Parliament, what does that look like for the Hills housing market? Well, the answer is, unfortunately, it could cause another price increase. Under the government scheme, first home owners can access 95% loans without any lender's mortgage insurance. Effectively, the government replaces the bank of mum and dad, which will all get very interesting if there's a price downturn and we end up with a big negative equity hole. But that remains to be seen. So in practice, that means a couple with a $50,000 deposit could buy a house in the Hills up to 95% for $1 million. That can only increase competition, and in a market where competition is already fierce and prices are already increasing, one has to wonder if that was the purpose of the policy in the first place. So in terms of housing initiatives, that's really about it. There's a little bit in there in terms of new home builds and foreign investment, but none of that really impacts us in the Hills at all. I suppose from my point of view, it's a little bit disappointing that at a state government level, we still don't have any relief for stamp duty for seniors who are looking to downsize, which in my opinion would invigorate the market far more than any of these policies. And negative gearing has been left alone, so investors have nothing to worry about. My name's Andrew Fisher from Professional Sterling Clerk Mundaring, and that's our market update for March and April 2025.